Okay, so I thought I'd make a video explaining how this works, because it is a little complicated. Make a new resource, we look for string table. Of course it needs a name, we're going to put in string tables, we're going to call it string table underscore uh, tree. And of course I have to call it tres because the editor hates me. And now it exists, this is the file. It doesn't tell you it's the file, but it opened up right here, so. So we start with English as the default. So if we want to add a locale, it has to be entered in here, so we're going to add French real quick. And now we have French. If we want to get rid of English, all we have to do is remove it, and then that's a bug, but okay, now we have French as the default. But I want English back, so I'm going to re-add that, delete French, add English, and then add French back, because I still want French. Very cool. Now we're going to add our keys. So I love it as this tree, so I'm going to call this one oak. That's going to say oak. And we're going to call this birch. I'm going to call this birch, because it's English. Okay, now we can go over to the French tab, and it's completely empty. Why is that? Because the French part doesn't have an entry yet, so we're going to call this... I don't know French. We're going to call this tree, and we're going to call this bush. And so we switch between them. Works just fine. Now I'm a little concerned that these aren't going to save, so I'm going to export them to a CSV. I'm going to call it string table tree spreadsheet, just in case. And now what I'm going to do here is I'm going to delete everything. Oh no, it's all gone. What next? Let's try opening up the CSV. Oh look, it's all back. Very cool, very awesome. Let's put in a silly name. Let's put in a name like Tyler, and I'll just say it's Tyler. Okay. Now that we have Tyler, I kind of want to be able to find Tyler in case he's too far away. So let's just add some more Tylers. There we go. We got Tyler 1 here now. So if I want to be able to find all the Tylers, just type in Tyler. If I only want to see Oak, I type in Oak. If I want to see God, oh no, where is he? He disappeared. How about that? It is 2026 after all. So what do I do with this? It's all well and good that I have a string table of things that I can just edit whenever the hell I want, and I can export and import whenever the hell I want. How am I actually going to use it? Well, that's the neat thing. Have something called a dream label. So we're going to grab our string table, trees, very cool. Oh, it's missing an entry. Let's grab Tyler. How about Tyler 1 instead? And now we have G, as it says in our string table. Is there an entry in French? There is not. So let's put an entry in French. Let's call it Delone de Yumfer. That is easily recognizable. Very cool. And I just have a script here for these two buttons. Switch between English and French already. You don't need to see what it does. All they do is they change the language. So let's start up our scene. Let's see. Okay, we're at G. That's the English entry. Let's try the French entry. Oh, look at that. Would you look at that? Very cool. And that just updates automatically. And even better, I can preview it. This is so much better than the typical thing you do is that you put in your stupid translation. So let's just grab that, put that in there, and then you would have to enter in the key manually into the label. So that's just kind of explaining how this whole stupid system works. This took forever to make. I'm very tired. I'm just going to delete the French real quick. Very cool.